Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Excel version with Get and Transform enabled and access to the source file. Open Data, Get Data, and choose the appropriate connector for CSV, Excel, or database. Once connected, point Excel to the file and set encoding and delimiter so columns parse correctly. Make sure you mark the first row as headers if applicable, because that determines column names. After this initial connection, click Transform Data to inspect rows and avoid importing malformed records. Now you focus on the middle steps, cleaning and shaping with Power Query. Use Remove Rows, Split Column, and Change Type to enforce consistent formats. This reduces downstream errors. Once done, apply Trim and Clean to remove stray whitespace and use Replace errors for known anomalies. If needed, merge or append queries to combine sources and add calculated columns for derived metrics. Make sure to preview applied steps in order. They are replayed each refresh to keep data reproducible and reliable. Finally, load the prepared table back into Excel by choosing Load to, Worksheet Table, Pivot Table, or Data Model depending on analysis needs. Once loaded, configure refresh settings, enable refresh on Open or schedule refresh if using Power BI Gateway. If refresh fails, first verify the source path and credentials, then check delimiters and column data types. Mismatches are the usual culprit. If a query breaks after source changes, edit the applied steps to adapt, and then refresh to confirm the pipeline runs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.